Hey there, wise souls over 60. Have you been feeling that puffiness in your legs? Or maybe your joints creak and groan like an old wooden floor? Perhaps there's a tingling sensation that lingers, refusing to let you forget it's there. These aren't just random aches or signs of time passing. They're your body's way of shouting, hey, I need more collagen. Collagen is the glue that keeps your skin tight, your joints limber, and your legs strong enough to carry you through life's adventures. But here's the hard truth. By the time we hit 60, our bodies are making about 75% less collagen than they did in our youth. And here's the kicker, most of us don't even realize it. Worse, some of the foods we eat might be making things worse. But don't worry, my friends, there's hope. Science has uncovered 8 natural, collagen-boosting foods that can help your body rebuild collagen, sometimes by over 140%. These foods can reduce swelling, restore strength, and bring comfort back to your legs and joints in just weeks. One of them might surprise you. It's something many have avoided for years, but it could be the key to feeling young again. Before we dive in, I'd love to hear from you. Have you noticed changes in your legs or joints lately? What foods are you eating to support your collagen levels? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one and love sharing personalized tips. Let's get started. Number 8. Egg yolks. For years, egg yolks got a bad rap, labeled as cholesterol villains that could harm your heart. But science has turned that old myth on its head. Egg yolks are a powerhouse of collagen-boosting nutrients, packed with glycine and proline, 2 amino acids that are the building blocks of collagen's triple helix structure. This structure is like the scaffolding for your skin, tendons, and ligaments. Without enough glycine, your skin sags and your joints stiffen. Proline, also abundant in yolks, creates hydroxyproline, a compound that strengthens connective tissues in your joints and skin. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found that seniors eating whole eggs 4 times a week had 24% higher collagen peptides in their blood. Within 6 weeks, they reported less morning joint stiffness and noticeably less leg swelling. For the best results, go for lightly cooked eggs, soft-boiled or poached, to preserve those precious amino acids. Scrambled or omelets work too, but avoid overcooking to keep glycine potent. Pair your eggs with vitamin C-rich veggies like spinach or tomatoes to supercharge collagen production, since vitamin C is a key player in turning proline into hydroxyproline. Start your day with 2 whole eggs and some colorful veggies, and you might feel more energy and less tingling in those legs. Number 7. Papaya. This bright, juicy fruit isn't just a tropical treat, it's hiding a secret weapon called papain, an enzyme that makes amino acids more bioavailable. As we age, our digestion weakens, making it harder to absorb the proteins needed for collagen. Papain swoops in like a hero, unlocking those amino acids so your body can rebuild collagen in your skin, joints, and legs. A 2023 study in Nutrients and Aging showed that seniors eating fresh papaya daily for 12 weeks saw a 33% boost in skin elasticity, 21% fewer wrinkles, and 28% less leg discomfort. To maximize benefits, eat ripe papaya raw, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Slice it up, blend it into a smoothie with a splash of lime juice, or enjoy it plain. Avoid canned or cooked papaya. Heat destroys papain and zaps vitamin C. Some even use mashed papaya on their skin, but the real magic happens when you eat it consistently. Your legs will thank you, and you'll see the difference in the mirror. Number 6. Chicken skin. I know, most of us peel it off without a second thought, assuming it's just unhealthy fat. But chicken skin is a hidden gem loaded with type 1 collagen, the most abundant kind in your body, giving skin its firmness and joints their resilience. A 2022 study in clinical interventions in aging found that seniors eating chicken skin 3 times a week saw a 31% increase in type 1 collagen density in just 12 weeks. They also had less knee buckling, better balance, and reduced ankle swelling. Why? Chicken skin contains collagen fibers, elastin, and glycosaminoglycans, compounds that hydrate tissues and repair damage, easing tingling and stiffness. The trick is preparation. Skip deep frying, which creates harmful aldehydes that break down collagen. Instead, bake or slow roast at moderate temperatures to keep that gelatinous texture. Or make homemade chicken stock with skin-on parts, sip it warm or freeze it in cubes to add to soups and stews for a collagen boost. Number 5. Sardines. These tiny, oily fish are often ignored, but they're a collagen goldmine. Eaten whole, with skin, bones, and connective tissue, sardines are rich in type 1 and type 3 collagen, crucial for blood vessels that carry oxygen to your legs. When type 3 collagen declines, circulation suffers, causing swelling, numbness, and tingling. A 2021 study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that eating sardines 3 times a week improved peripheral circulation by 19% and reduced ankle swelling by 27% in 10 weeks. For best results, eat them with skin and bones intact. Try them on whole grain toast, in a salad with lemon juice, or stirred into pasta. Choose sardines packed in olive oil to stabilize collagen, and soak them in lemon juice to tame the smell. They'll not only rebuild collagen but also calm those nighttime leg cramps. Number 4. Bone marrow. Once a delicacy, bone marrow is making a comeback as a nutritional powerhouse for seniors. Found in beef femurs or lamb shanks, it's packed with type 1 and type 2 collagen, plus hyaluronic acid, a lubricant that cushions joints and hydrates skin. A 2019 study in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology showed that seniors consuming bone marrow broth 4 times a week saw 36% better joint flexibility and 40% less swelling in 8 weeks. Roast bones slowly to scoop out the gelatinous marrow, spread it on sourdough, or melt it into soups. Or simmer bones with apple cider vinegar for 12 to 24 hours to make a collagen-rich broth. Sip half a cup daily to boost mobility and skin tone. It's like a reset button for your body. Number 3. Gelatin. Forget sugary desserts. Pure, unflavored gelatin is a collagen superstar. Made from cooked animal connective tissue, it delivers glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, 70% of collagen's building blocks. Its pre-cooked form makes it easy to absorb, even for seniors with low stomach acid. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that 10 grams of gelatin daily led to 45% better skin hydration, 22% less joint stiffness, and 38% stronger calf muscles in 8 weeks. Dissolve grass-fed gelatin in warm water, stir it into tea, or make fruit gels with fresh berries. Skip store-bought flavored gelatin. It's loaded with dyes and sweeteners that mess with collagen metabolism. Number 2. Liver. I know liver can be polarizing, but hear me out. Grass-fed beef or pasture-raised chicken liver is a collagen-activating powerhouse, bursting with vitamin A, copper, zinc, and glycine. A 2022 study in the Journal of Gerontological Nutrition found that eating liver once a week boosted collagen activity markers by 143%, with less sagging skin, fewer varicose veins, and reduced swelling. Start small, blend cooked liver into soups or stews, or try liver pate on toast with lemon juice. Just 1 to 2 ounces a week can work wonders, especially paired with vitamin C-rich foods. Number 1. Bone broth. This ancient elixir tops our list for a reason. When made right, bone broth is the most potent source of bioavailable collagen, delivering type 1, 2, and 3 collagen, plus gelatin, glucosamine, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid. A 2021 study in geriatric health and nutrition showed that 250 milliliters daily for 8 weeks led to 52% firmer skin, 34% less leg pain, and 48% more physical activity. MRI scans even showed thicker joint cartilage. Make it by simmering grass-fed beef or free-range chicken bones with apple cider vinegar for 18 to 24 hours. The gelatinous texture in the fridge means it's collagen-rich. Sip it warm in the morning or use it in soups. Avoid store-bought versions with additives, and never boil too hard, it damages the amino acids. These 8 foods are your body's allies in the fight against swelling, stiffness, and tingling. It's not just about eating them, it's about how you prepare and combine them to unlock their healing power. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these foods have you tried? What results did you see? Do you have a favorite recipe to share? Drop it in the comments, we love hearing your stories. If this video spoke to your heart, give it a like, it helps our channel grow. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip to keep you thriving. Thanks for being here, my friends. I'll see you in the next one.